Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I'm going to make these lovely stacks. So you can see that there are 3 of these molds. Each of them is really unique. So I'm going to select the one that I'm going to make. Although all of them are really unique, but I'm going to go with the one that I selected. So let's start. I'm going to mix my resin, and for this reason I'm going to use glitter. So this time I have used a lot of glitter in my projects, as you have seen. It's really fun. So you can use whatever color theme you like to go with. I'm thinking of going with golden and some orange and green tones. And I'm going to pour that glitter resin into the areas with the antlers and the hoofs. So this is are the both glitters that I'm going to use. So here is a tip for you. If you want, you can use UV resin and you can mix your resin, add into the areas that you want, and you can cure it. Then you add different resin, but this time I'm going with epoxy resin because a lot of time I got questions that if you use a normal epoxy resin, because a lot of people I think don't use UV resin as well. So this is just a tip for those who use UV resin, but I'm going with the simple one. So I'm going to fill up the antlers here, and the resin that I've taken here is a low viscosity resin because you can see that it is a very intricate sort of area. So I'm going to fill that up, and this is going to take me some time. So you just enjoy the process. And after adding the glitter resin, I'm going to add clear resin into the center now. So equally, I'm going to divide in 3 of them. And now to create some sort of interest, I have used a little bit of black epoxy resin here. So I've mixed black epoxy pigment into the resin and just adding into the face area onto the legs. So I will be doing this to all 3 of them just to create some interest. And after doing that, I will leave these to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the next day and this is how they are cured. Now is the fun time. I'm going to use some washi tape, and this is the washi tape that I'm going to use. So I really thought this is going to be really fun. So in the middle part, I'm going to use the where I poured the clear resin. I'm going to select the flowers that I want to put on top of the stacks. So this is the roll. So this is going to take me some time because I'm going to select the flowers that will be fitting into the body. So here is the last one, and I'm going to cut the excess one, and just make sure that rub the washi tape onto your resin project. So in this way it is attached to the resin. Otherwise when you pour the resin, it's going to come up. So just make sure of that. So now I'm going to pour a clear resin top on these tags just to cover the washi tape and doing a top coat, and then I'm going to add some more elements to these. And now I'm adding some gold foil randomly onto different areas of these tags. So now this is really optional. It is such a fun technique that you can add whatever you like to your resin creations, making them really unique. So at this point, you can add crushed crystals, you can add beads, so many options. And here I'm adding some pearl beads randomly again here and there. And after adding the beads, I will leave them to cure and I will see you next day. So this is the next day. It's time to demold and we will see how they are looking like. I am so loving them, the washi tapes and the glitter and the pearls, gold foil. I think this is the perfect combination here. And now I'm going to take them out of the mold. Just be careful because of we don't want to damage the antlers here. So here we go. First one is out of the mold. Yep. And this is how it's looking like. Do let me know what you think. I think they are lovely. I think I need to make some winter stags also, but that might be next year with the washi tape, of course. I think that would be to be in my list, and do let me know if you want to see. So these are all done. Let's see the final look. So here we go. They are all done. I think washi tape was a lovely idea adding into the stags and they came out really perfect. So there are areas where you can put the ribbons and you can hang this on your trees. Other than that, last Christmas I made a project where I put these reindeers into a different way. So I will put that video above here so you can see just a little different idea. So that's it for today, and I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.